Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make coconut oil. Remember, coconut oil has many benefits. For example, coconut oil helps to brighten the skin. So if you're looking to brighten on your skin, please, you have to learn how to use coconut oil at home. And before learning how to use coconut oil at home, you have to know how to make it at home. Okay? And remember, coconut oil helps to fade black spots. The same to you. If you are suffering from black spots, please, my dear, you can be using coconut oil at home. Next, coconut oil helps to give you a glowing skin. So if you like to have a glowing skin, you'd like to look like a baby, you need to learn how to make coconut oil at home. Remember, lastly, coconut oil is anti-aging product. So if you don't want to grow fast, you'd like to look younger day and day, please, you can be using coconut oil. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make coconut oil at home. Okay, so it means you have to watch the entire video from the beginning up the end, because at the end I will tell you how to use this product. Remember, guys, if this is your first time to watch a video from Family TV Uganda by Coach Uganda, please don't forget to subscribe. Please turn on the notification bell, because that bell is very important. They always notify you when I upload a new video. And of course, guys, don't be so selfish. If you watch a video like this from Coach Uganda, why not share this video to your friends? Share this video to groups on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on TikTok. Why not? You are allowed to share my videos. Right now, let us go to our procedures. I'll be back in a few minutes. I want you to get for me 2 organic carrots, only 2 pieces of carrots which are organic. From that, don't forget to clean your carrots very well. My dear friends, make sure that you watch the entire video up the end, because I don't want you to miss such amazing recipe for the skin. Remember, coconut oil helps to fade black spots, okay, and at the same time helps to brighten the skin. And don't forget, even coconut oil helps to give you a glowing skin. So you have to watch the entire video up the end. This is our grated carrots. But guys, I'm requesting you, please, if you have never subscribed to this YouTube channel, guys, subscribe right now. And I'm requesting you, please, you can share this video to your friends. But don't forget to get yourself empty bottle, okay? Because you are going to put all your grated carrots in your empty bottle, okay? So that is what you need. Get yourself empty bottle. To give you another benefit of using coconut oil is that coconut oil helps to prevent hyperpigmentation, and at the same time helps to prevent acne. Okay, so don't forget that coconut oil is also helps to prevent or to cure wrinkles. So if you are suffering from wrinkles, please, you need to learn how to make coconut oil at home. From that, I want you to get for me olive oil. You can use olive oil or you can use coconut oil. Make sure that when you are putting oil into your recipe, make sure that oil covers the entire bottle. Okay, so you have to follow what I'm doing right now. Don't forget the procedures, guys. Follow my procedures so that you get good oil for your skin. So follow my procedures right now. But guys, I'm requesting you, give a like to our video, comment on this video, and of course I'm requesting you guys, tell me where you are watching this video from. Okay, from that I want you to cover your bottle which contains your recipe, and then I want you to cook your water until it boils. My dear friends, my dear sisters, brothers, please share the video to your friends. You can share this video in WhatsApp groups. You can share this video on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And of course, you are allowed to request any video from Coach Uganda. Okay? So guys, our water is ready. Then I want you to insert your bottle into your boiled water for 35 minutes. Okay, do it for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, remove your recipe from hot water, okay, like the way I am doing right now, guys. Okay, remove your recipe from hot water. From that, leave your recipe open so that it cools. Please leave your recipe to cool very well. From that, I want you to keep your recipe in a cool place for 14 days, guys. For 14 days. This is our recipe after 14 days. Okay, this is our recipe after 14 days. From that, you are going to filter your recipe very well, guys. But please, guys, I'm requesting you, keep your recipe for 14 days after boiling it. Okay, but right now our recipe is ready after keeping it for 14 days, and now we are filtering it so that we get our coconut oil. Okay, so guys, just continue watching. Okay, this is an amazing video for your skin. Okay, so continue watching right now, guys. I love you so much. Guys, this is our oil we have got after filtering, but I'm requesting you guys, watch the entire video, because at the end I'm going to explain to you when and how to use this cowrie oil for your growing skin. So watch the video up the end, guys. We are done with our procedure of making our cowrie oil. Okay, so I hope, guys, you have learned how to prepare cowrie oil. Okay, I hope so. Don't make a mistake. You have to follow my procedures carefully, like the way I did during my preparation. So my dear friends, you can use this cowrie oil at night, but before applying it to your skin, please, I'm requesting you, if you are going to apply this cowrie oil in your face, first wash your face, dry your face, and then apply this cowrie oil in your face before sleeping. Okay, remember, as usual, our policy is to share our videos. Share the video to your friends in WhatsApp groups, okay, to Facebook, TikTok, everywhere, guys. You are allowed to share my videos, but don't forget to comment on this video, to give a like on this video, and of course to come back and watch more videos from Coach Uganda, and of course on Family TV Uganda. Okay, as usual, I love you so much. May God bless you. Bye bye.